and I was down to my last $50, and then I heard this sound. And then everything changed. Most people quit dropshipping before they make even a single sale. I know, spending money on ads, setting up a store, doing everything right, and still seeing $0 in your bank account, it is super frustrating. In this video, I'm gonna share with you how I made my first sale in dropshipping, and more importantly, a step-by-step system you can use to make your first sale as well. Now, this isn't going to be some kind of crazy, complicated method. Once I show you, you're gonna be like, hold on a second, that's all I have to do? If we haven't met before, my name is Rush. I'm the founder and CEO of Sell the Trend, one of the largest dropshipping apps on the planet and the #1 product research tool according to ChatGPT. Over the past few years, I've helped dropshippers generate over $500 million in sales, earning a wall of positive Trustpilot and Shopify reviews and countless testimonies from people making real money online for the first time. By the end of the video, you're gonna know exactly how to set up your store the right way, find products that actually sell and get traffic that converts. And also learn the same strategy that helped one of our users go from $0 to $6,000 per week and get featured in a PayPal blog article about his success. Now, timestamps will be in the description if you want to jump straight to the step-by-step guide, but trust me, you're gonna want to hear my story first. All right, let me take you back to 2018. Back then, I was still a music producer. I had won a bunch of awards, landed a #1 Billboard record, and worked with some of the biggest names in the industry: Mariah Carey, Christina Aguilera, and many more. But despite all of that, my music career was slowing down, and unfortunately, not by choice. Now, for years, I have been producing music while dealing with excruciating pain basically anytime I listened to music, even at normal volumes. Eventually, doctors told me that if I continued down this path, I was gonna lose my hearing forever. Now, music was my life, my passion, but losing my hearing, that was something that I was not ready to deal with. So I had to find a new way to support myself and my family. Something outside of music. I started searching for something else to do, and like a lot of you, dropshipping seemed super interesting to me. I mean, the idea of being able to run a complete business from my house and still be my own boss sounded like exactly what I needed. But man, getting started was rough. I mean, figuring out how this new business works, finding the right product, setting up a Shopify store, it was all very, very overwhelming. So I checked out a few videos on YouTube, started testing some products, running some ads, and nothing. Zero. Not a single sale. And I'm sure that sounds familiar. It was super, super hard. And that's really when self-doubt starts to take hold. You start to think, are all of those people having success online, was it all just fake? Was dropshipping really a viable business model, or was it just a big lie? I was really, really stuck. But that creative drive that I had as a music producer, I just couldn't ignore it. I knew I had to create something to help me with this new business venture. Now, I realized early on that in dropshipping, without a winning product, you were not really gonna get anywhere. So me being the do-it-yourself kind of guy, I decided to write a small piece of software to help me find winning products. It was a simple little program, but it started recommending products for me to test. So I started testing these products. Now, I didn't have unlimited funds, so I gave myself basically a budget. I knew that if I couldn't make dropshipping work within that budget, then I would just move on to something else. And I was down to my last $50, and then I heard this sound. And then everything changed. My first sale. And if you haven't guessed it by now, it was this moon lamp sitting right here. I found this product using that early version of Sell the Trend that I was building. And if you are familiar with dropshipping 2018, this product right here turned out to be a huge winner. That sale was the light bulb or moon lamp moment for me. It made me believe that this was a real business and something I could actually do. That first sale flipped the switch in my head from doubt to absolute belief. It was unreal. And I really hope that you guys get to experience that feeling soon. Now, that one sale opened the floodgates for me. And before I knew it, I was making a full-time income from dropshipping. Even though I was finally able to support myself and my family, my passion has always been creating the exact same way it was when I was producing music. The more I got into dropshipping, I realized that finding the right product made selling so much easier. And what started as a tool that I built for myself, that early version of Sell the Trend, soon became something I wanted other people to start using to find winning products just like I did. Now, fast forward till today, and thousands of dropshippers are using Sell the Trend every single day to find winning products and change their lives forever, just like I did. Now that you know what's possible, let me walk you through the exact step-by-step system that can take you from frustration to your very first sale in dropshipping. Let's head over to the studio and get to work. Step 1, success starts in the mind. If you're expecting instant success, stop right now. Dropshipping is a business. It's not a lottery ticket, no matter what you see on social media. One thing is for sure, you're gonna make mistakes. You're gonna run ads that flop, you're gonna test products that don't sell, and you're gonna feel like giving up. But you should look at every failed product or campaign just as valuable feedback. The only thing that's gonna keep you going when nothing's working and you feel like giving up is pure determination and the belief that you're gonna make this work. That's really what separates the winners from everyone else. Step number 2, build a store worth buying from. You need a store that looks clean, professional, and what I like to call credit card worthy. Customers decide in seconds whether they're gonna trust your site or bounce right off. You can use Sell Shop right now to create a fully automated AI-powered store in seconds. Now, you can use Shopify like I did back in the day, but it's just gonna end up costing you a lot more money and setup time that you don't need to really deal with right now. For store niche, choose one that you have intimate knowledge with, or you can use one of the recommended popular niches on Sell the Trend. If you're not really sure what kind of niche to go to, use those. These niches are niches that are in demand right now and would be a great start if you don't have an idea of where to start. Step number 3, sell what people actually want. There's a saying in business that a great product sells itself. But here's a twist. Dropshipping isn't just about finding a great product. It's about finding the right product for the right audience at the right time. When I made my first sale, it was this moon lamp right here. But it wasn't just luck that I found it. I used that early version of Sell the Trend that not only showed me the right product, but also a product that was about to explode. So the timing was essential. Now, you can use that same tool today, but now, of course, it's much, much better. Product research is a combination of data, experience, and art. This is where like 50% of all dropshippers completely fail. They have no clue what they're looking for or end up wasting money on bad products that either have no chance of making any money or are already used up and no longer in demand. This is where our expert selections page on Sell the Trend comes in. Every product here has a unique selling angle. It's currently trending and is ready to sell. So you can stop doubting whether, the winning product is the missing link in your success. These are the exact same products that are generating thousands of dollars daily for our members. Step number 4, create irresistible product pages. People shop with their emotions first, and then they find a logical reason to back it up. So make sure you are selling the benefits, which is the emotion part, and not the features, which is the logic part. If you're not sure what that means or how to do that, you can use the AI brand builder on Sell the Trend to create product descriptions that follow that exact principle. I personally coded 3 powerful prompts and designed them to write product descriptions that will actually sell. I created these prompts after examining over 100,000 stores and seeing which pages convert and why. For pricing, stick to the recommended pricing we have for the product. Don't try to race to the bottom. Trying to undercut the prices is just gonna kill your profits, and we all wanna make more money, not less. Step 5, social proof beats promises every time. Imagine walking past 2 restaurants. One is completely empty and the other one has a line out the door. Which one are you gonna eat at? That's the power of social proof. Make sure your product page has real customer reviews. On Sell Shop or even Shopify, you can use Viva Reviews to instantly add customer reviews to your store with just a click. Social proof builds trust, and trust equals sales. This one is not negotiable. I'll leave a link to Viva Reviews in the description for you to check it out. Step 6, earn more without selling more. Now, this step is optional, but I couldn't really do a how to sell guide without including this one. Now, imagine you're buying a new phone. You're at the checkout, you're ready to pay, and the salesperson says, would you like to add a case and a screen protector? It's 20% off right now if you buy it as a bundle. So you think to yourself, yeah, I should probably protect my new phone. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is upselling in action. The store didn't really need to go out and find a new customer to make more money. You were right there. You were literally right there. And you should be doing the same thing, because the easiest sale you're ever gonna make is to the customer who's already buying from you. So add upsells like quantity breaks on your product pages to increase value of every single sale. Buy 2, get 10% off. Buy 3, get 20% off, etc. On Sell Shop, apps that increase your average order value are automatically installed. So that's literally one less thing you have to worry about. Step 7, marketing. Now for the most important part, the marketing. Here, you want to keep it super simple and just use influencer marketing. Don't try to go all Liam Neeson on this and try to run Facebook ads and TikTok ads immediately. Those platforms require a certain set of skills that take time to learn. And honestly, they're just going to make things more complicated when all you really need right now is just that first sale. I'll give you an example of how powerful this strategy can be. So Glow Recipe, which is like a skincare brand, used TikTok influencers to create viral content. Their watermelon glow drops went viral after influencers showed how well it worked for improving skin. That product sold out multiple times. Now, this is exactly how you can do the same. Find influencers in your niche using hashtags on TikTok or Instagram. If you're in the pet niche, for example, you can use something like hashtag cats, hashtag dogs. Influencers who are accepting posts will have open DMs or even their business email right in the profile, like you can see on this one. Keep the message simple. Something like, hey, I love your content. How much do you charge for a post? You do not need to tell them your life story. I made a lot of money selling pet products to nature and animal themed accounts. Their audiences are super engaged, and the amount of traffic you can drive to your site for such a little amount of spend, it really almost feels like you're stealing. And that's it. If you follow the simple step-by-step guide, you will get your first sale. If you don't, then you did something wrong. Rewatch this video and apply the strategy again. Now, granted, that first sale is the hardest, but once you get that first one, everything changes. Millions of other dropshippers have already done it, so there is absolutely no reason why you can't do the same. If you want a deep dive into this process, you can check out my free dropshipping course. I'll leave a link to the course in the description. And if you want my humble but expert insights into what not to do when running a dropshipping business based on my experience of helping thousands of sellers generate over $500 million in sales, check out my video on the worst dropshipping mistakes and how to fix them. And until then, power to the people.